Hi, Marcia here, and I want to give you a quick introduction to math recipes. Okay, if you can do multiplication like this, 2 times 3 times 4 equals 24, then you can use a simple math recipe that can help you design something. Okay, so I could write this A times B times C equals B. Okay? The only difference between these two equations is that I don't know what the values for any of that really is. But now if I draw a rectangular solid and I give the sidelines A, B, and C, this now becomes volume. And now this has a physical meaning, and I can use that to design something. Now in math, we're usually going to write the quantity we're solving for on the left. So that would be the same as saying 24 equals 2 times 3 times 4. There's no difference there. And I can write this as B equals A times B times C. So if I want to increase the volume of something like a cardboard boat in order to support more weight, because I've learned about buoyancy, if I want to increase V, I can increase any or all of these values will increase V. If I have another equation, say X weight over volume. Okay, so if my goal is to decrease X, because X is really density in this case. If I want to decrease density so that I can float a boat, that is weight divided by volume. Okay, if the weight is set and I want to decrease X, then I want to increase the volume. So do you see how looking at simple math recipes can give you clues to how to design something?